Are you want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? Imagine creating viral videos in minutes, reaching thousands of people and earning $1,000 per month on autopilot. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using VidAvatar AI so you can start making money without filming, editing, or even speaking. Alright, let's dive in. Minutes. You can't believe this video also created by VidAvatar AI. Faceless YouTube channels are the new money-making machine. And guess what? You don't need fancy equipment, video skills, or even your own voice. Think about it. Channels in finance, motivation, tech reviews, and storytelling are pulling in millions of views every month. The secret? AI-powered content creation. And with VidAvatar AI, you can tap into this goldmine effortlessly. VidAvatar AI is a revolutionary tool that lets you create hyper-realistic 3D AI avatars that speak, move, and express emotions just like real people. You can generate AI-powered avatars in any language, 80+ supported, turn text into professional voiceovers with ultra-realistic tones, customize avatars with expressions and emotions for engaging content, create and sell unlimited videos with full commercial rights. This means you can create high-quality YouTube videos without ever being on camera. Imagine the possibilities. Now, let me show you how you can create a faceless YouTube video right now. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche and script your video. Choose a high-demand niche like finance, self-improvement, or AI tech. Use AI tools or simple research to create a script. Step 2. Use VidAvatar AI to generate your video. Paste your script into the text-to-speech tool. Select a professional AI voice or clone your one voice. Choose a hyper-realistic avatar that fits your content. Step 3. Customize and render your AI video. Adjust facial expressions, add realistic emotions, and select your language. Click render, and your video is done. Step 4, edit, upload, and monetize. Add background music, stock footage, or effects using a basic video editor. Upload to YouTube, optimize with SEO keywords, and start getting views. Now let's talk about the money. How do you actually turn these videos into cash? Here's how people are making $1,000 per month, or even more. YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subs and $4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you for views. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in your niche and earn commissions for every sale. Finance, tech, and AI niches work great for this. Selling digital products. Offer ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content to your audience. The best part? Your videos work 24/7, bringing in passive income while you sleep. And there you have it. With VidAvatar AI, you can create, upload, and monetize faceless videos all in minutes. No filming, no expensive gear, no hassle. If you're serious about making $1,000 per month on YouTube, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "I'm ready." Let's turn your YouTube dreams into reality. See you in the next video.